Welcome to the training module for Nurse Midwifery Case Log Report. So we are going to start by clicking Clinical Activity Reports. And then we can see there are two options regarding case logs. We have a case log report and student competencies. The first one that you'll want to pull is the student competencies. You'll click on this. And we're going to scroll all the way down, and you can see the nurse midwifery options and the amount of the number of required occurrences and experiences, and then how many you have fulfilled. You want to have this performed category in each section to match, and then it will tell you how many you have left as well. Okay. So to run this report, we're going to click Actions and then Excel. This is going to populate it into an Excel spreadsheet. Will open and look like this. You're going to click Enable Editing. And then we're going to want to get rid of all of these fields. So if you click on starting with number 2 and hold down your button while you scroll all the way down to row number 52, then you can right click on that field and click Delete. And this will leave you with this. Then we'll want to click the top triangle in the left corner, click Format, Auto Fit Column Width, and that's going to give you a readable format. Then you'll want to save this, and this would be something you would upload to your assignment in Canvas. And it shows here very clearly how many are required, the number that you've performed, your totals, and then you still need. If you wanted to filter and change the dates to go back to the beginning when you first started the program to gather your entire picture, then you could change those dates back to any date needed to the current date. It does default for a year out. You are able to edit and change those at any point. The second type of case log we're going to do is our regular case log reports. So we're going to click this arrow right here, or you can always do this by going to clinical activity reports, and that will take you here as well. Will be our general case log report. We have our dates here again, same thing. You can set your dates to whatever parameters you need. You're going to click display notes. If you had created any notes, hit apply. And then we'll see here all the case logs that we have logged. In order to download this as a report, if you need to have this as a report, click Actions, Excel, and again we see where it drops that Excel spreadsheet down into the bottom that we can open and edit and upload as an assignment if needed. Once we're done with running any reports, you can click the eMedley home button, and this will take you back to the home page. This concludes your case log report module.